Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the grammar checker in Quillbot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on tools there. Now press on grammar checker up there and wait until the page loads in, of course. Now you can just write the text or paste the text depending what you have available. I have random text available here, and now you can just see what the errors are. They are you can see there are lines below them. Those red lines show that you have some errors in the text, and you can just press on fix all errors, and after that it's gonna be done. And that's pretty much how you use this function. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.